Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to add a header image to the top of your Twitter profile. So adding Twitter header, replacing it and uploading it is a process that many Twitter users cannot do. So we will add a header on your Twitter account by showing you how we can upload or change it and delete it step by step. So it is always more useful to add a header of your own instead of Twitter's standard headers. So in addition to profile image, you can include a larger image at the top of your profile. And Twitter calls the larger image the header image. Twitter recommends that you use an image in the header that's 1252 to 626 pixels. And by the way, adding a header image is even more important than including a background image because the header image is displayed more frequently than the background image. And the background image of your Twitter page is visible only when your profile is viewed on a desktop or a laptop computer. So you see how out of Evangel's Paul Trenny's, his username is Paul Trenny, profile appears when displayed on an iPad. Note that his background image is not visible, but the profile photo and the header image are both displayed. So the header and profile image are also displayed on smartphones such as an iPhone. So when it comes to choosing a great header image, you can use virtually any image in your header as long as it's not obscene and does not violate Twitter guidelines, which is very important. However, not all images work very well in the header area of a Twitter profile. The best header images have this characteristic. The bottom of the image area is dark enough that the white text used to display your title and description is easily readable. Or the center area of the photo isn't too busy, leaving a space for the profile photo display without covering a key part of the header image or looking crowded. So the header photo helps to tell your story by conveying information about your personal, professional interests or talents. So to upload a header image to Twitter, what we're going to do right now, we're in Twitter. We're going to go to our profile from here. And from here, we're going to say edit profile. And then we're going to click right here. And we're going to choose, let me just choose, I have just chosen mine, and as you can see, this is the header I want to choose. For example, you might choose something else and you can do this by zoom it or zoom it out like this, but I want to use it this way because my header was just perfectly made for it. And now I'm going to click apply, and if I don't say save, it's not gonna be there. So as you can see, now it's there. So let's assume that what we want to do, we have done it, but I really like the way it looks, but let's assume that we didn't like the way it looks or we want to change it. What we're gonna do is, we're still gonna do edit profile. Then we can delete it by, you can see this X here. And we're gonna save, and it's gonna disappear. Or when we still have, let me show you. Let's see, we still have it. And what we're gonna do is we can just, if we just want to, we don't want to delete it, we just want to change it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here again and choose something from there, which is, camera this, okay. This is an artwork that I have made, yes. And we're gonna just click save. And as you can see, now it has changed. So if you have any questions or have any doubts how to do it, you can ask me on the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up, give us likes. And if you still have not, if you still have not subscribed to our channel, please do. So see you later.